when you see okay, hey! And so the person again, hey, I want the person, but I don't care. See there? This is you. This is your surgery. I don't care. That's your surgery. Remember me point out your titty, I roll underneath your arm when you talk? Hello. Especially the right breast. She have a mind of her own, you see? She have a mind of her own that she can keep man this long. Your right breast always run underneath your arm. Why? No, but don't like me to tell. Why? Why your right titty always go underneath she? Yeah, sir, you have a don't care attitude. Thank you. I not do no more breast. I love me and go. I not do no more breast. The name I don't care. That's our surgery. Yeah. The left one there you saw. You know you must see a titty them depend. When you expect them to say hello, hello. Them depend. I don't care. Everybody do them body, them breast depend. Hello, hello. Some of them breasts underneath you so like gaita. I even know depend. I don't care. I don't care about the noise of the market. I don't care about life. I just don't care. For sure. The titty them are rebel for sure. Yeah, if I breast them did I say I am just let me tell you something. If I breast them did I just say I am just here chilling, we don't see them so I'm just here chilling. You know that breast there? But them depend I don't care. I don't care. I really don't care. Each time she shift, them now move. Lord, all our wings. And she the only girl me see come with wing on her chest. A wing. Now ask you no. Go argue with Eddie. And Eddie if you go argue with the man hype you up and this you. A big this that. Big this that the man hype you up and this you. And if this you within a time when you and Candy at it. Then you can't want no more this that. You know, say you're an idiot menke. Then you could have sit down on the app and argue with no girl. Let me ask you a question. You use Eddie for hype on everybody. And Eddie use Candy for this year in front of everybody. You can't hype on no girl. Ivany, me go clock some tea right here, so. Then in the time, are you and Candy excitement Eddie book ticket for Candy? Then you know say your apps not have no visa but your apps lift up and you show out pan Shana Chin. Show out by yourself. Throw words on yourself. Everybody knows that Shana Chin take things about of the gully. Everybody know. Everybody knows that things always a drop out of Shana Chin but you want to be the next Shana Chin and you not get it right. Come now. Make it make sense. You're a class girl for this and a class girl for that. Class Eddie we gone out with your apps. Then what else you go class Candy and tell Candy? What you can't tell Candy say no? What can you say to Candy? To let her feel away as if you're winning the war. What can you say, Donnie? Huh? When the man where you hype with on the internet gone out with your apps, Eddie has sent you a message and you not take it. Receive it, Donnie. Receive it. Receive it with open arms. No, this is a purple show. But you can't cuss Candy. Candy is not my favorite person, but you broke your foot. This is when them say break a leg. Candy did, literally. This is when them say break a leg. Break a leg. That's why I don't like people tell me about break a leg. See there? Candy broke your foot. Candy broke your foot. And you sit up on the internet and crash out. And nobody knows to say you're crashing out. Mind we have to do you like Britney. Mind me have to rob you and the rest of them hospitalize you. Yeah? Mind me have to do you like Britney. Can you win effortlessly? Number one, she have hip and she have fly with it. Can you the only girl must fly without visa and man expense? Talk to me, Ivany. Can you do the traveling challenge? Every time I talk about the traveling challenge, I go quiet. Huh? Yeah, she receive it like a prayer. Claim it! Yeah! Can they claim it? Can they get up? I know some of you say Eddie El Candy by vehicle, Eddie do candy body. That's why candy are going, so Ivany know in a secret. And that's why you come out in the public because you know Eddie carry candy going foreign and you never want to tell the public. Candy use up the body. Use up the body and I use up the money. Use up the body and I use up the money. Use up the body and I use Candy trick on her. S-I-N-G-L a singer. Candy did that show what I never she single I did vanish I show what pan. Vany account S-I-N-G-L-E. Don't spell it with G-E-L. Don't spell it with G-E-L. Yeah. What you say? Only be provoking it. Yes. Candy that show award. Ivany, I don't like candy, you know, like that, you know. But one thing I can say, I feel like I play a song every time I see you. S-I-S. Look how Candy a ton girl single. Candy out to order. Candy out to order. Candy a walk a single up girl. Ivany couple of days now Candy make her single. Oh, them say Jamaica get stamp. Yeah. So what you say? Make it make sense, but you come out. Ivany, you can't come out here, so me a girl live better than you. You have picnic, you eat off a government. I'm a live better than you. Number one, you eat off a government and you rob the internet. I'm still a live better than you. Number two, I have what you not have. I have peace. I have peace and tranquility. Ivany, I have down to seasoning. So I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. There is nothing that you have or I envy you for. And if you go talk about your pum pum, remember say your pum pum is cocky traffic police. It's a direct hood to bottom. Ivany, talk truth. Then you ever see a girl like me go on dating site, go on cocky? Ivany, me I get body all in my sleep and it's not dream. Not dream. So there is nothing in this lifetime that you have that I want. You can't say your son because your son not have no father beside the mother. So your son is living in a broken home. So me no want none of that. Ivany, that's why I close my coop, I lock up my egg, I scramble them when I'm ready, and I boil them so them get hard just in case the cocky take a egg. Yeah, you never know. There's nothing that you have that I want because everything that you have when you rent is unfortunate. What is not rented is unfortunate. Your real child is the dog. Your real child is the dog. I kid you not, there's nothing, make it make sense. What you have that I want, Ivany. Nothing. Number one is a nobody. You know why I couldn't envy you even if I wanted to? You're the first girl or child me see them father will a casket to. Then me would want to be like you and your parent will a casket to you. Your father go and make a casket for you, you know? And me could really want to be you and envy you. Girl, I don't envy the dead. I cannot envy the dead. What is lifeless? I cannot eat it. What you mean don't bring a child in it? Well, give me your child. When name Amma K. Brown, bring your child, let me tell you, picnic, oh, your picnic suck, oh, and eat shit. Bring your child come, but don't bring Ivany's child in it. Ivany's a dead. You ever see Ivany father call ice? Ivany is a dead. Daddy will the casket to Vanny. Yeah? You can a child. If I cannot a child, if I can have a child, I choose not to. Remember you breed for criminal? Remember you're picnic worthless? Like the father? So you ask me if I can have a child. Do I look like I'm in a child trouble? Do I look like I own a children homes? Look how much chest you can say child scare. Me never born in a children month or child's month. So what you asking? What you really want to ask me? Eh? Remember say Ivany say a child a demon and she no want it from it in her belly. Remember she curse it from in her belly. What strange things may I do? What foreign things may I do? If the mother cursed the baby, I'm just repeating what mommy said. Hello? Hello? Oh, we come for this, you know? Come for that demon, you know? Hello? What may I say? Me just repeat what the mother said. No man, come here. Me just repeat what mommy said. Me don't have no problem. I want your pitch. Me just repeat what mommy said. You know, say me have a straight rotted hand. That's why the last time me and the boy fight, my chop him. Yeah. Oh, see ya. Yeah. Me have a straight hand for you, you know. Blow my hand straight. Yeah. Me just repeat what mommy said. Come now. I gotta make it make sense. Cause you come by me, you know. I mean, appreciate the fact that you come by me. But when you come here for come good. When your girl a come for Auntie Shibi, don't tell her about her bedroom. Cause look for one Auntie Shibi pillow. Look for one Auntie Shibi pillow. And this is how Auntie Shibi run house for a single girl. This is how. You should have looked out for two of this like Ice and Louis for sharpen them teeth. Oh. What you say? And then me you come out. See balance here too. Me not new to act still, baby girl. Me not new to act still. You can't buy so much fish for you. They can ask foreign people. Act still costly. So me show you in my bedroom now. Me give you a small tour. I give you a small tour which part my sleep. Show us in the renter center. Yeah. Let me borrow one. Yeah. So what you say? Then Ivany could have really sung a reason with me. I mean the only one with extra. Me extra, ask anybody who know me. Me extra. Yeah. Me live like me a grow family. Me live like me a grow people, you see. Shebada nothing now go on for you. Ivany make you a chance this. You come off of the net. You come off of the net and survive. Me not the on stage and me a live. Me the on vacation. Me the on vacation a day. A day, Ivany. Nothing now go on for you again. You don't show me and eat and me a live better than you were a robber and a thief. Come now, make we talk. You realize that me choose not to do no show. You realize that it's me choose it and nobody me a wait and say use me not use. You're mad. You're mad. Yeah. Stop thief page and lock up the net and see how you live. You and I sit down beside cheese with that thing that Brian me in the shelter. Chance that. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me. Do this and Because I know people where I work can't buy so much oxtail. I not ask you, I not boast. But it's reality. I know people where I work can't do this. You know, you must say, do this and beat me, and that me I say, Make it make sense. And now give you no tour. Bring your landlord come and give them a tour because you don't have no receipt for the things that we are occupying in the house. Remember, the landlord only rent you 1 bedroom and a passage and you call it kitchen. Talk to me, Ivany. As the picnic run out of the bedroom, you have to carry him out. Any day you cook on the stove, the baby have to slowly walk out, so because he's going to run right into the kitchen, from your bedroom to kitchen. Are you telling me? Every day is a show for Africans on the state entertainment. No, but we don't know what the Vany, we don't know what the young Candy are with. Argue with Candy, focus for your race. Don't make me distract you. Coming up on the sideline, but only a real. Yeah? No make me shouting distract you. Focus on Candy. Right now, Candy and Eddie. What time now? They're having breakfast. What time make Candy tell Eddie about drink your orange juice. Yeah, and after which you drink your water. Yeah. Ivany, you should have done the traffic saying, oh, you don't have no papers. You not even have your passport. Then Ivany come here. So you really do your body to stay in your own. Mercy, that fly you want going up my mouth and look, I brush my teeth. Come here now. Somebody hurt but I mean are you for sure. Come here. Then Ivany. What's I meant Eddie do your body for stay inside and you try use your surgery to seek the attention of Owie. And Owie got there with cataract. And cataract don't even shape sweet. You understand me? But Owie just gone for the naturality. Ivany, you do so much and man I dismiss you. Eh? You all under filter man now are you. Ivany, what is going on here? Huh? What is going on here, Ivany? No, come here. Imagine. Come, we ever talk what we say. We're not telling a lie on you. We ever talk what we say. Yeah. And what we see, we ever talk. So come here now. You do your body, don't. And when you do your body, you make sure send the baby got creech. No. So you want to go to driving lesson because you don't want to leave him with Owie. And you want to go do your driving lesson. And you know all the way you call accomplishment Owie not see you. And your baby father think that, oh, the boy blind to you so all of a sudden. You took out his oil? Huh? You took out the baby oil? She can't start by mackerel. She can't start by mackerel. Mackerel have more walking condition than fear running. She can't start by mac. And what do you cliff up her baby and go pan a what? No. Ivany, traveling challenge. Travel with ice, let us see. Travel with ice, let us see. Remember saying that if you never stop up the condom, or we wouldn't have tights to you. The American wouldn't even know say you are needed there. Anyhow, you never stop that condom. Just because you stop up the latex. Yeah? You can imagine? And yeah, come board. Anytime man want you, me give a tour. Anytime man want you, me give you a house tour. Little boy no want you. Big man no want you. Old man no want. Nobody don't want you. Nobody. Nobody don't want. Michelle. Nobody don't want you. And you really want to argue with a girl like me? Huh? Try another person, not me, Ivany. Me am a lightweight. Me am heavyweight. When I cut deep. Me not cut like K them. I cut deep. Because I go remind people say, are you alone video yourself to oh you can't get no man? Are you alone finger yourself video it and make the dog a lick your semen? I want them people know say man really don't want you. I wonder if people really know. Ivany, then because I really envy you when you turn on animal nature. Because I really want you, then all you expect man to stay with you, Ivany, when you turn to animal. And then you want me to give a tour? Eh? And your crutches is a bet? You want me to give you a tour, your crutches is a bit. Oh, you work out that. Time look bleak here. Oh, you work out that, Ivany. Because we are reasonable, want make the cussing make sense. Because we see too much unnecessary cussing on the internet. Remember that I have the video with the dog after you don't finger yourself and dilderize yourself. As a young girl, as a young girl, you did a push up a dildo, a big dildo in your big hole. And then the dog, you welcome the dog and you suck with the dog the regular and come and lick you and yeah, hey, dog turn you on. And you really want to argue with me, Ivany? And I gotta say, you look like you take one of me never deal with Louis yet. Me not do dog. Me never deal with Louis yet. So you can't say you take one of my man cause my man them proud for them cocky smell like my body than them wood smell like your old. Honestly, I kid you not, baby girl. All of the boy them cause you know me not take body boy. All of the straight man them if you skin out me and skin out you, cocky stiff up and rush me have cocky traffic while you are direct. Now ask him a baby and we can put my head on the block and talk about this. Yeah. We can put my head on the block and talk about this. Hey, as an ugly girl like me, you know, I will tell you the truth. You see, as an ugly girl, selfish head looking girl like me, I tell you the truth. No boy no left me, no. No boy no left me. You mad? You mad? No boy no left me. Girl with the carrot hole. Ivany, come here. Echo your hole real. Why people are left you? Why people are left you? Why people regret being with you? Our baby probably there lick out our hole too. It's not like ice probably have been tongue underneath ice and Louis would have fight for lick Ivany clits. When you can't stay there, you know say when you can't stay there, sometimes some things start when they point, Jesus, it can go too far. Hello, it can go further. You never know. Then you think if a woman like Ivany can have a dog and lick out her hole, what she would do to her child? Rosalie did come on the internet. Don't tell me, oh God, when Rosalie sat on the internet and said she'd make barbar sex or none of them never say nothing. None of them never say nothing, but no one come for criticize my speech at all. Should me talk with them, I do what them I think. Which world una born in them? Him innocent though she be. Me and you believe say him innocent, but when the camera lock off, how guilty is he? When Rosalie sit down and say, Shebada, My picnic can be a barber dig out my hole. Wanna say? Oh, you mean Rose? Not true that. Huh? If Ivany can have a pet for lick her hole, what should I do with her own? And Una gonna say, oh God. And Una gonna say, oh God. Una gonna say, oh God. If you can have a dog and lick your hole, what you wouldn't do with your son when you're knowledgeable? And Una alone, Mrs. sit down and justify foolishness. Remember Ivany just meet Kino and Ivany take Kino to and a suck it on camera. One have to say, where is Nina? Because you know me notice with some other big old girl, it's only man can be pedophile. Females can't be it. Me I look out on the wings of a Snow White dove. Me nah ask Uno. Me nah ask Uno if the dog can, if she can feel comfortable with a dog we have germs. Can't remember saying no. And no found out follow mad people on the net, you know. No found out follow mad people. And no found out and don't like hear the truth. If a girl can sit down and make dog like her crutches, what she wouldn't do. And that's why Annie brother grind her. And that's why you have a lot of incest and family ramming. Because you see, Uno look on people as though they present themselves. Uno know their background and Uno always forget things. Uno. Now ask Uno. Then you think me could have get Ivany my child to look after? You must say mad. You must say mad. Me not even want to get an eye for my baby for me go wash off. You mad? Uno not call a spade. Ivany would make ice lick her click like how she make the dog lick it. But when you see how Tiki come up and look the man's son in front of in a public. Just clap that for a minute. Clap that for a minute. Tiki come up and look the man's son in a public, right? And the whole on bombard him. Yeah. Remember say mad people upon the app. Remember mad people upon the app. Remember mad people upon the app. Then you think Ivany care? Yeah, it applies to everyone except Vanya. Yeah. Then come in now. Make go past Vanya, Clan Ice and Louis where like Ivany crutches. Come in now. Annie, your moderator don't go with no money. You and police go suck on one another. Your moderator not go with no money for you. No money. You and police are look dinner money. Go suck on a mother. Oh, come here, Annie. You depend on the app too long for moderator collect money for you. Eh? You depend on the app too, Annie, you're hungry, you're naked, you and police want bathe, go suck on a mother. You and worthless police who walk and suck wood. Cause police look like him with selling batty for crack. Yeah? You go like a couple. On a nasty like the whole honorable moderator guy with your money. What money moderator guy with fear, Annie? Eh? What money? Oh, you mean the page with the money? Which page with money? I go like Annie have the money. Them girl they drop money regular, ask Rosalie, them girl don't leave money on page. Go on ya. Wanna move on now with this. Go on ya. Which page with which money? Eh? Wanna go on? Them wicked and lie and thief like. Them wicked and lie and thief. Oh, the moderator never go with the money. And the page when she a collect board. Eh? You know long Annie them have them TikTok page, them YouTube page. You know long Annie them have them page. Then all people for go with it. Annie just find man and go like she build new page. She a TikTok like go suck them TikTok police go suck them mother. Then what are we? Them have a whole heap of story from Shay and Queenie. Lord Jesus, deliver my soul from evil. That's why I don't like mix up Monday, you know. What a way them have a whole heap of things for Shay and Queenie. I said the whole night last night, I forgot in the city. I pray and I cry. I pray and I cry. I pray and I cry. I said them boss it up. I said me not in a lie. Them talk some things. The wicked dirty people them all are called TikTok liar. Where you there? Where you there, TikTok liar? Where you there? Somebody said broke life just a show up here, so I said broke life a show, so you don't beg me. Like how broke life a show up on me, I can keep my dollar in my pocket. Thank you, Jesus. She come in late, man. I choose she come in late, she makes the excitement. You know, so them have a video with Mr. Chin Slippers, and then tore over it, then tore a reason with the time, and a bank line Mr. Chin, you know. Anybody who make that video, they think them did bring down Mr. Chin. A bank line Mr. Chin in a Mr. Chin can't spell clothes and shoes. He can't spell bank and line. I'm not even a liar now, pan shame. Let me tell you the truth. She is my good friend. Good friend. But she forget, she and Queenie forget everything when them get. I'm tired for talk to them. I can't help them, I'm tired to talk to them. You see in life, let me tell you something about life. You see in life, may I tell you the truth. You can't be vulnerable to everybody. I told Shay this. I said this to Shay long ago. I said this to Shay, I said Shay you walk about too much. I say you walk about too much. I don't care what they must say about her, you know, but I'm just glad them a class her. She walk about too much. Too much. Too much. I say, Shay, you go until Ivany cuss you. Because Shay wanted Ivany to see her body. No, Sister Shay, I forgot face all of this, God believe me. I tell you, Shay, you independent everybody live. They might go cuss you, so I'm no business with the argument here. I don't business with this argument. Yeah, I really don't business with this argument. And in all fairness, I can't say them nothing gang up on Shay. I'm not gonna say that. You know why? Because I talked to Shay several times. I said, Shay, leave the TikTok liar saga and put down some of the information for time to come. Put down some of the information for time to come. Put down some of the information. See them now? All of who for live and only they pay your live and in your box. Where them they know? Me talk to you, no Shay. Me talk to you. Where them they know? Don't me tell you say, everybody where you see this so and a guani. You don't have no friends. I did say to you. Me say you not have no friend. Me not have nothing to share with them and I tell them. See them now you need them. Why they not come talk and say, Lord, the girl alone and go? Why they not say that? They are not going to say it, Shay. I tell you. That's why I not take people in my box. I not have nothing to tell the world. I not have no story for boss. More than if I bust it up on a girl, I bust it up on a girl. I'm a play upon my platform. I not walk, I not accept. I tell you, Shay, but can't bother me down here. So let's stay. I just have to fight that battle here. I saw the internet go anyways. I saw the internet go. 1 minute you're in, the next minute you're out. Nobody not like her. I'm not gonna say nobody not like her. But you see, She had the internet at one point. She had it at one point. You understand what I say? She had it. I mean, now, let me tell you the truth. She just have to. I don't like the things that they must say about them because you know I don't know friend them already. However, the people them have forgot talk. You understand me? Them have forgot talk. Because I said to her, stop go on people's live. You sit on one place and people send you requests. Talk to your people. You don't have to accept nothing because those who are sending you don't even like you. The last time they said, Shay, cut off of the argument. Where the down them there, where the cheesy blase them there, where the sunshine doll them there, where all of these people them there, when you did a bring down liar and them did dip on your side, where are they now? Think I because I'm focusing on the 8 here. He focus, you think I true. Where are they? Shame me that look like a hypocrite for jump up on top of low shallow. No. This is what you need. It's when you get this share, you have to understand how to run your program. I true. A long time. Then you think people like when me take it on my live share. Remember me get beaten for you, you know? But because I genuinely like you. You understand me, I'm still take you. But shame my baby, when I have to go through this. When I have to go through this. You hear? When I have to go through this, my baby. Me hear them talk some things and it really not sound good. I really don't like it. Because at one point you were winning and you know, it turned around like you're just not winning again. No. They drawing all queen, Lord Jesus, some things that they matter. I don't like it, share. And you know what to share? I'm going to say this to you. You know how we fight in the ghetto. Them dig up some things